Have you ever wondered, how can I get my dog to automatically sit when the front door opens? Well, it's pretty easy. You're going to practice your dog sitting without the door opening. Sit. She sits, I feed. And then I'm going to open the door and ask her to sit. So I get her standing. Sit. Your dog may go towards the door in the beginning. So you may have to feed them for staying still. I'm going to repeat it. Sit. So you open the door and then you feed. I'm starting with an interior door. I would recommend starting with an interior door rather than the front door. Sit. So you just keep practicing this over and over and over again. And if you're wondering how the dog is connecting the dots, you open the door, you don't say the word, and you see if your dog offers you the SIT. She didn't, so I need to practice this more. So I close the door, open the door, sit, give her the cue, and we keep practicing. Come on, buddy. Sit. Now I'm going to ask her the question again. I open the door, but I don't do the motion. Waiting for her to offer it. Yes, good girl. It took her a little while that first time. Hopefully she gets faster at it. Yes, good girl. Probably can't see her that well over there. Come here, buddy. Yes, so now she's offering me the sit. Can you come closer? When I open the door. Good. So you're looking for the dog to respond within about 3 seconds. And that's how you transfer the cue. Opening a door is also a cue to sit. I hope you found this helpful. My name is Jackie Moyano, and I am the owner of Behavior United, a dog training company. Bye.